Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Habaya day bat kaan kaba kaying dorbar tauan kajela Asam Kalawanra banya keren kata ka Assam Cattle Prevention Bill arjar arpuai nakaliang uba sanbor ulaong ba kajela Meghalaya kadi kajela kababam do masi ulaong ru badon kebas ngautu bakla ba ka BJP kakang ban bam do masi nakaliang jong uba sanbor ulaong ba ula penkre bani kendu ya himanta habaya day bat kani ka bill ulaong ru ba ukwa ban penpoi bun ki masi syaka jela ban bam da kadok masi bat ban penduna kabam dok belang bat dok siar ula ongro ba hakiwe ki jela jong kathan setai lamingi ki bam ya ki beseng bat ya ki we ki jaj meran habaya dei bat kani kabil nagaleng uba sanbor ula ong ba un sai kendu ya uhimanta biswa umentri rang ba kajela Asam
Ingai pengkaya nilai yang ni, ketika setiap babam do masih ni. Dun gue suatu bangkala ba, lesi dia ga sokar BJP ga bakang ban. Yung nga nilai, kumu BJP amilian nilai ta, kumiata isu ngala ada pengkaya war ngan abli coy mentor, baga masih nilai dibentuk caca je ni diben bam, hajak aja do blang do share bam bahar do masih. Encourage people to eat more beef than chicken and mutton. You see that wrong information in the mind of the people that the BJPs will host this cow slaughter. A democratic country like us, everybody are free to eat. You will see in other northeast state, snake also they eat. What is this? Tortoise also they eat, crab also they eat, scorpion also they eat. There is no restriction that you cannot eat this and that. I recently only have passed that order. That's why I told you I have prepared on this. So legally I'll study it, and if required, I'll meet Hemantaji also to discuss that the supply of cattle or beef to our state should not be affected. We will see what kind of permit, what is the term and condition. If it is not suitable, then I'll talk with him that we have to change.